So this is a GL500. I don't know if any of you guys are aware of this or not, but my daily rider is a GL500. So I like these bikes. This one I picked up for a little bit of nothing, to be honest. And it's, of course, didn't have the tank pack on it, or the trunk on it. It does have a tank, but I've already started on it. So I already took it off and stripped it and got it primed, because I've got to get the rust out of it too. Anyway, this one I actually hooked a gas bottle up to and put a battery in it, and it started. So this one I know runs, whereas the KZ I did not do that, and I'm kind of regretting it now. I'm waiting for more parts for it to see if I can get it going. I think the condensers are bad, but I'm not sure. So we're gonna see if we can replace those and see if that helps. I got no spark. But anyway, this is the next project. And since it runs, it will be easier, I hope. I'm not going to start it right now, but by the end of this series, this thing will run because I already know it runs. It doesn't run well, so hopefully throughout the, taking the carbs off, cleaning them, doing that kind of thing, will make it run better when we do get it back together and ready to go. But this is going to be another cafe style. I haven't decided if it's going to be a bobber or a brat style, or just stick with the cafe style, straight up cafe style. But the nice part is that as I take things off of this, I can actually use them on my daily rider, because I'm not going to reuse those on this bike, so I could put those on mine. But I haven't decided if I want to do that or not, because these aren't actually in quite as good a shape. You can see they're kind of cracked up and stuff, but they could be repaired and put on there if I wanted. So anyway, something to think about. And I do believe these hinges were added. I think these were just the tops that just lift off, and somebody added these hinges, because those don't look, let me fall down while I'm doing this. Those don't look factory. But who knows? Maybe somebody out there has one of these and can tell me with this type of bag on it. Alright guys, let's get to it. There wasn't much coolant in there. it might have sat for a long time. That is plant life. Got its central nervous system out. I feel like I'm dissecting an animal when I do this. It's kind of fun. Remember biology class in high school? Yeah, there we go. So, I am about to the point where I'll be able to wheel it outside and power wash it. And I gotta do some stuff to the motor to get it ready to power wash, and we'll be doing that. Yeehaw! Onward and forward. Well guys, I think I want to call it a day at that and continue again tomorrow. I got the frame all cleaned up as best I could anyway, and I still have to take the shocks and the triple clamp off, and I'm going to go ahead and drop the rear wheel and pull the shock and the swing arm out, and then we'll start on figuring out what shape this thing's finally going to be. I'm probably not going to take that swing arm and the front end off until I decide how I'm going to be cutting the back end of it. I think I'm going to see if I can't talk to BJ and say, what's the best idea here? Or if BJ sees this video, maybe you shoot me an email and tell me what your ideas would be. You know, you love these bikes like I do, so I'd love to hear from you, bud. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.